Selva Kumar, second year Master of Library and Information Science integrated from the Department of Library and Information Science from the Manonmaniam Sundaranar University, Tirunelveli. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to create reports in the KOHA ILMS. So this is the KOHA's homepage. Here, there is a module which is reports. So click on the reports module. Yes, we would be directed into this page. Here, there is an option which is create from SQL. Okay, so click on the create from SQL. Here we are making a guided report. Now I am explaining you this process with an easy example. So first I am creating a report for books, so I give the name as book. Then type the SQL. So I typed select space star space from space biblio biblio, then save report. This is one of the easiest reports we can gather from the KOHA ILMS. Then your report books has been saved. So after we have saved, we have to run the report to know the stats. So I'm running the report. Here total number of results 3. So there are 3 books in my library. So this report would help us to know the exact number of books which are resided in our library. And next we are creating another report. Okay, here I gave the name as items. So this report would cover up the items in our library. So I am entering the SQL. SQL means structured query language. So we are making queries. So the SQL is select space star space from space items. So I am saving the report. The report has been saved. So then I have to run the report. I'm running the report. Okay, there are two items in my library, and it gives the details of those 2 items, its price, its accession number, and where it resides, everything. It gives every details of that particular items. The SQL means structured query language. So we are asking the KOHA with a language which would be convenient or which can be understandable by the KOHA software. So move on to the next report. This report I have prepared to know the member list of our library. So okay, so I gave the report name as member list, and the SQL is select space star space borrowers, oh sorry, space from space borrowers, borrowers. Save report. Yes, the report has been saved. So as usual, run the report. The report is yet to run. Yeah, it is done. The report is, it gives the member list of 3 members. The report covers up every details of the borrowers or members of that particular library. So with this SQL code, we can know the member list of our library. Okay. Now you may ask me where to find these SQL reports. So I am telling you, open your browser and type KOHA SQL reports, okay, in particular circulation. Here we can see SQL report circulation, SQL reports library, SQL reports pattern. So whatever category we want, we can create a report through KOHA, and the reports, the SQL codes are available in the wiki.koha community.org. Here we can get each and every reports that can be generated through KOHA. I mean the report codes, the SQL codes. Okay. The page would be like this: SQL report circulation. So these are the reports about circulation. There are a number of reports about circulation. So I'm choosing on report. Okay, not circulated items. So with this report, I can figure out what are the items which is not circulated in my library. So I am just copying this code. Okay, copying. Okay, after copying this, we have to paste it there. New report, new SQL report. So as I said before, this report would cover up the not circulated items in our library. So I gave the name. So I gave the report name as non-circulated items. And here I am pasting the SQL codes and save report. Okay, the report has been saved. Now, as usual, run the report. Okay, enter parameters for report non-circulation. So choosing the date. Okay, click run the report. Total number of results 1. Okay, this is the book which is not circulated in our library. So I have less books, that's why it shows only one book. Okay, now we are moving on to the next report. So these reports are about SQL reports of library. So these reports would cover up the library and its details. Okay, we can find a number of SQL reports here. So as I did before, you can click on whatever report you want to create. So click on the link and copy the SQL and paste it there and save the report. So then finally run the report and get the details. So this is the process. Once you run the report, there is no need to fill the SQL details again to gather the details of that particular report. The report would have been saved in the saved reports. Okay, here we can find saved reports. So if you want to run the report, just click run on the particular report, then we can see the results of that particular report. So once we saved or run the reports, there is no need to do the work again to gather the reports. So thank you for watching. Until the next video, this is Selva Kumar signing off. Keep watching. Bye bye.